Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, without understanding what is the duty of human being, because he is fallen, so we should not bother for maintaining our family and children till the time of death. No. Up to 25 years. A brahmachari is trained to refrain from sex life. That is brahmachari, celibacy. But if he is still not able, then he is allowed to accept grihastha life. There is no cheating, hypocrisy. That I proclaim myself as brahmachari or sannyasi and I secretly do all nonsense. This is hypocrisy. The hypocrisy life will not make one advance in spiritual life. That is the example given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. His personal associate, Choto Haridas, Junior Haridas. He was a very nice singer. So he was singing in the assembly of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And one day he went to make some rice from Siti Mayati's sister, and there was a young woman, and he lustfully saw them. That is sometimes natural. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu understand that, just to teach us while he was eating. He said, who brought this rice? Chororida. So ask him not to see me anymore. Finish. Everyone was surprised. What happened? Then, by inquiry, it was found that he lustfully saw one young woman. That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so strict that he rejected him from his associates. Then other big devotees requested him that he has committed some mistake. And please excuse him, he is your servant. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, all right, then you bring him back, you live with them, I am leaving this place. I am leaving this place. Oh, then said, no sir, we shall not raise this question anymore. So when this Choto Haridas found it impossible to again go into the assembly of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he found it hopelessness. Then he went to Triveni and committed suicide. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu knows everything. Then sometimes after he inquired, what about Choto Haridas? Somebody said, you rejected him. Out of disappointment, he has committed suicide. Oh, that's nice. Let's see how it's different. That's nice. He never expressed any sympathy. Oh, I rejected this person and he has committed suicide. Oh. No, he said, oh, that's nice, that's all right. He said that. This is one thing. Another thing, Shivananda, one of his very exalted devotee, he was taking care of all devotees who were coming to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to visit during Rath Yatra. So his wife came and offered Chaitanya Mahaprabhu his incense, and he saw that the wife is pregnant. So immediately asked Shivananda, your wife is pregnant? Yes. All right. when he gives birth to a child, you keep his name like that. Now see, one man simply saw with lusty desire to a young man, he was rejected. And one man has his wife pregnant, he adored him, that's all right. So sex life is not forbidden in this movement, but hypocrisy is forbidden. If you become hypocrite, then there is no way. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. Chaitanya Haridas, he presented himself as a brahmachari and he was looking after a young woman. Then he understood he is a hypocrite, rejected. And Shivananda said, you are Grihastha must have children. What is wrong there? He said, yes, my remnants of food should be given. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement. So our request is, don't be hypocrite. There are 4 ashramas: brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha, sannyas. Whichever ashrama is suitable for you, you accept. But sincere, don't be hypocrite. If you think that you want sex, all right, you marry and remain like a gentleman. Don't be hypocrite. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He did not like hypocrisy. Nobody likes. But for a person who is seriously engaged in Krishna consciousness movement, for him sex life and material opulence is not very good. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's opinion. Parang parang jigimisho bhavur niskincanasya bhajaran mukhasya. Parang parang. Therefore, voluntarily Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted sannyas. He was very nicely situated in his family life. When he was family man, he married twice. One wife died, he married again. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us not to become. But when he took sannyas, he was very, very strict. No man could come very near to him from distance. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare